Google's Pixel phones have a wireless charging feature, but it was not allowed to use the feature with any other device. This restriction has now been lifted, allowing you to charge your Pixel wirelessly through its wireless charger. A wireless charger is the perfect accessory to add to your Google Pixel 6a if you love spending a lot of time on your phone. With the wireless charger, you will never have to worry about running out of battery in the middle of a conversation and will always be up to date with no cables or wires getting in your way. So today's video I will show you 5 best Google Pixel 6a wireless charger you can buy Amazon. If you want more information and most up-to-date pricing on the products we mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. If you are new here, please consider subscribing our channel and press the bell icon so you don't miss any new video. So let's go. Number 5. Rapix. Rapix is proud to introduce the world's first Qi wireless charging pad with Prismo RGB lighting. Rapix Prismo RGB 10W Qi certified wireless charging pad for Google Pixel 6a fast charging. This wireless charging pad is made of high-quality material and is Qi certified. It can charge any Qi-enabled devices at 10 watts wirelessly. It comes with a 10W wireless charging pad, 4A USB power adapter, and a quick start guide. Get Google Pixel quality charging anywhere with Rapix's Prismo RGB 10W wireless charging pad. This Qi wireless charger works with all Qi-enabled phones and is compatible with Pixel 6a fast charging technology. You can now wirelessly charge your phone without the hassle of tangled wires. You can use it to charge your phone and cable simultaneously or charge other Qi-compatible devices like wireless headphones and smartwatches. Perfect for anywhere in the home or office. Number 4. Google. The Google Pixel Stand wireless charger is the perfect accessory for your Pixel 6a. With this wireless charger, you can charge your phone and see the time simultaneously on your phone. Simple, sleek and lightweight, plan on spending less time looking for outlets to charge your device and more time living in the moment. Just place your Pixel 6a on the stand and let it charge wirelessly. The stand has a quick charging function that will charge the battery of your device within 1.5 hours if the phone is in standby mode. With up to 23 W of power, Pixel Stand powers up your phone fast. It charges upright so you can stay productive. The nearly silent built-in fan keeps your phone cool while you're streaming or making video calls. With Pixel Stand, use your Pixel to control your helpful home while your phone charges. Number 3. Inu. The Inu is a portable wireless charger for your smartphone. It is designed to provide swift and safe wireless charging for your device, no need to plug in your phone to charge. Unlike other wireless chargers, the Inu has an adaptive sleep-friendly light that automatically turns off whenever you close the lid of your phone. Best of all, the Inu is Qi certified and compatible with Google Pixel 6a. Inu is a wireless charger that is built to meet your nightstand needs. It has a sleek, minimalist look that blends in with any home decor style and is perfect for the person who finds their phone constantly buzzing on their nightstand. Inu gives you the best charging experience while at rest, utilizing wireless charging technology that can charge your phone up to 15 watts. It also uses a patented adaptive light system. Number 2. Belkin. Get your dock-free wireless charging on the go with the Belkin Boost Charge 15W fast wireless charger pad, which includes a wall charger and cable. Use your Google Pixel 6a phone to wirelessly charge. The Belkin Boost Charge 15W fast wireless charger pad is the newest wireless charger for your Google Pixel. With an included USB-C to USB-A cable, you can charge your Pixel by plugging it into a wall outlet. The cable has a built-in USB power delivery PD 2.0 port, so you can charge your Pixel wirelessly with the speed and convenience of a wire. Simplify and unclutter your workspace with the convenience of wireless charging. Charges through lightweight plastic cases up to 3mm. Number 1. Yadi. Yadi introduces the new Ion Wireless Duo, a Qi-certified charger and stand for Google Pixel 6a and more. Now wireless charging is possible anywhere with this Qi-certified charger. The wireless charger allows you to charge your phone with the wireless charging feature and then use the stand to prop up your phone for watching videos or playing games. Make a power charge that's easy to take on the go with this Qi-certified wireless charger from Yadi. Just place your device on its base and watch as it starts to charge. This charger offers fast charging speeds and an aluminum alloy construction for durability. It's also a certified charger for the new Google Pixel 6a, as well as all Qi-enabled smartphones. View landscape or portrait mode at a 65-degree tilt while charging on the stand. White light indicates when device is charging.